Alright, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be doing a obby tutorial series. So in this video I'm gonna show you the basics, and I am doing post audio or I'm putting the audio in from recording. So you wanna click on new experience right there. So it should open a new base plate. Yeah, so it should open a new base plate, and this is how it should look like. So of course the first step is you want to make a kill brick. A kill brick is basically the stuff in an obby, like the stuff that kills you. And make sure you have the explorer and properties on. The one on the left and one on the right. So the first step is to make a kill brick. Of course, the kill brick is the most important part. So you're gonna add a brand new part. First you're gonna select the scale tool and then add a new part. And then I'm gonna scale it down. Let's see, is 4 right? Let me see. Never mind. So in the properties panel, set the size to 6, 1, 6. Oh no, I mean 6, 1, 1. Sorry. And I'm gonna change the material to neon. Yep, neon's right. And then in other obbies, you see how it's red? So I'm gonna set it to red. Should be red now. Yep. So this looks like a real kill brick, but of course it won't work right now. So we had to add a script. So I'm gonna rename it real quickly to kill brick the part. And then I'm gonna add a new script and press the plus button and add a new script. I'm gonna rename the script to kill brick handler. Okay. And I'm gonna delete everything from the script, of course. So the first step is to write a variable. You need one variable. So local kill brick. Local kill brick equals script.parent. Okay, 2 lines down, and then we're gonna type in killbrick.touched :connect function hit. So this is how it should look like. And then we're gonna go 1 line down, and we're gonna do hit.parent : never mind. Actually, local player equals hit.parent. No, I mean game.players : get player from character hit.parent. So it should be looking like this. It should somewhat look like this. No, it should look like this, I mean. So just type that in. I am going to have the code in the description. So we're going to do if player, then player. No, not player. It's hit.parent.humanoid. Hit.parent.humanoid.health equals 0. So basically that's just going to kill the player immediately. But this is very customizable. So basically, if you want the player to take a certain amount of damage, remember that each player has 100 health, but you can customize that. You're going to type it in as hit.parent.humanoid.health minus equals and the amount of damage you want them to take. So let's say 25. So 4 hits will be 1 kill. So let's do 25. Of course, I do want them to die immediately, but I'm just gonna show you guys, of course. So 25. And then we can just test it out right now. It should be 4 hits. So let's test it. Oh, wait, there's an error. Player is not a valid member of game. Oh, sorry. I made a mistake. It's not game.player, it's game.players. Okay, now let's test it out again. Okay, let's step on it. Oh no, I died immediately. Oh, I think I know what the problem is. It needs a cooldown, so we're gonna add a debounce. So we're gonna do like local debounce equals false. Debounce is just a cooldown, as I just said. So then we're of course going to go like after the player, I guess. Kind of forgot. Oh yeah, it's after the player. So we're gonna just click like right there. Oh no, yeah, it's after the hit.parent. Kind of forgot. But first we're gonna do if player and not debounce. Then I almost forgot about that. And we're gonna do debounce equals true so that they won't be able to like touch it again. Let's make it like 2 seconds. No, about like 1.5. Yeah, I guess 2 is right. 2 would be right. Yeah, 2. Let's go with 2. And then we're going to do debounce equals false. Okay, let's test it out. Okay. Yep, we take damage. Yep, we take damage again. Oh no, that's a bad thing. That's kind of bad. Yeah, you know what? We're going to set it to another number because that is not good. Okay. But we can remove debounce. Just set it to like 1 or 1.5 if you want them to take a certain amount of damage. It won't matter. You don't have to fully copy my code. Like, you have to copy it like this, except the number if you want it to be immediate kill. Or like certain amount. I don't even know what I'm saying. So you can see it kills them immediately because I set it to health equals 0. Of course, we might not want debounce. So we're done with that one. We're just gonna add another part. We're gonna set it to debound. I'm just kidding. We're gonna set the material to basalt and I guess set the color to black. Yeah, really black. This is gonna be the platform, so we're gonna scale it up. So let's do like I don't know. Let's do how about like yeah, let's do how about like 14, 1, 14. Yeah, let's try that. I don't like it. It's not even. And I'm just gonna set it to 12, 1, 12. That makes it very even. So you can put the kill brick on it, but not right now because we're still gonna make the platform. So we're gonna name it to platform, of course, because it's the platform. So we want to try to move the spawn location on top of the platform. Oh. Wait, but the platform is way too small for it. We're just gonna make the platform a little bit bigger. Let's just duplicate the platform real quickly and set the size to like 30, 1, 30. And move the spawn location onto it. Yeah. That works really nicely. So, and then we're gonna delete the base plate because you should die immediately if you like fall down or something. Like, that's how I want it to be. We're gonna scale it. How about 2 studs wide? Yeah, that's amazing. I'm gonna just duplicate it and then put 1 stud right there. And put the kill brick on top of it, rotate it, of course, put it on top. I'm gonna scale it a little. Yeah, let's duplicate it. Yeah, and then let's just take these again and just duplicate it. One stud each. I think this might be a little bit too thin, but it's fine. We'll see. And of course, I'm gonna duplicate it and then move it. I think that's big enough. And I'm gonna duplicate the platform and just put it right there. I think I have an idea. I might scale it. Now let's just group the platforms up. So now let's test it first. Of course, don't forget to anchor all of the parts, or else they're just gonna fall into the abyss. I mean, I guess that works fine. That works amazing, actually. But I guess it's a little bit too thin. Yeah, it's a little bit too thin. I might want to like spread it out a little bit. Let's try like 2 studs. How about 2 studs? Yeah, let's try 2 studs. Let's just make that one so that it's touching it. But no, that one will be 1 stud. We're gonna move that for like 2 studs. Oh no. Okay, so 1, 2. It's like both of these. 1, 2. That's a little weird. 1, 2. Yeah, that looks amazing. I might need to change it to 3, but I'm good for now. I'm gonna set it to 0.1. I might wait. I'm gonna make it a little harder. So it's just gonna go up by 0.1 stud every time. Like. No, how about 0.3 actually? I just did Control Z. Yeah, 0.3. I think it's good. Okay, let's test it out. Let's see if I'm trash or not in my own obby. I'm very trash at my own obby. Amazing. Okay, that works actually nice. I might want to add like another part where, like, you know those obbies that have like those ones that have like the checker platform or whatever? And there's like 2 tiles, but one of them is the kill brick, something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna try to make that one. Yeah, I'm gonna duplicate. I'm gonna just set the size to. I think that's gonna be good. Just copy it off. You can make your obby a little bit different. Okay, I'm just gonna duplicate this. Let's make it like 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Yeah, 4 is nice. I hope I'm not bad at this. No, let's just set that to 4. Yeah, and then we can just duplicate it. Just follow what I'm doing. Put in the checkerboard pattern. I'm just gonna select all of it. Oh no, there's a piece missing. Bruh, I didn't copy that one because I didn't select it. Okay, then I'm just gonna select that one. I'm gonna be careful with this one. Just take it, duplicate it, keep on doing it. Looks a little bit too small to me. I'm just gonna scale it down a little. Yeah, so that's 1 stud actually. Perfect. I hope I'm good at mine. It looks like a mess in the Explorer, actually. So I'm just gonna model, like, select the spawn location on the first platform, so group it up, Control G, rename it to spawn. Okay, and I'm just gonna select everything from stage 1, and then Control G, rename it to state. No, how about level 1? Level 1 is nice. And of course, select everything from level 2, rename it to level 2. I'm not putting in the numbers though, because it will mess up in the script. I mean, it won't, but still. Just gotta take the precautions. Oh no. Level 1 went into level 2. That's bad. So we're just gonna do Alt Control and just select both of them and put it into. Of course. I mean, the obby looks nice. It's the checkerboard pattern. I'm gonna select both of the levels, and I'm gonna actually group it into a folder this time. I'm gonna rename the folder to levels. Yeah, that looks amazing. The sky looks a little bland, so I'm gonna select the plus button right next to terrain, and I'm gonna select cloud. Let's just set it to like this. I feel like the highest density would be great. No, it looks like a rainy day is about to come, actually. No, that looks like it's raining already. Yeah, that's nice. It still looks like a rainy day is about to come. Let's set the density to like 0.5. Let's just test everything first. I feel like 0.5 is nice. So 0.7, 0.5. Nice. So the obby looks amazing. So let's test it out. Let's see if I'm trash or not again. Okay, I'm gonna just deselect everything. Okay, let's see if I'm trash or not. And I'm trash. Of course, at the end of the series, I will test it out. I'm about to crash out. But at the end of the series, I'm gonna test out the obby, because you need to test it out before you actually publish it to see if it's actually possible. Some obbies on Roblox are just impossible to beat. Like, they're actually impossible. Probably because the creator didn't, like, test them. And I am trash at my own obby. But we will test it out, of course, on the last series. I do have an idea that I want to put in, but we're going to just do it next part. This is part 1. What have I been saying? Next series? This is one series. This is part 1. I'm going to just do it on part 2, which is just going to be next part. So, guys, I really want to put it in this episode, but I want to put it into part 1, but I'll put it into this video, but no, not right now. I'm just going to duplicate level 1 and just put like 0.5 studs away from it for some reason. And then I'm going to duplicate the platform from spawn, put it into workspace. And then I'm going to move it, but like touching it. Nah. I think 2 studs will be nice. I feel like name the second level 1 or the duplicated level 1 to level 2. Or no, I mean level 3. So, guys, I've been working on this video hard. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. It would help a brother out. And peace out. And don't forget to save it. So peace.